Hi everybody, I just wanted to share with you my latest project that I've just finished. It's a trifold triple waterfall mini album. Now that's a mouthful. Now I followed a tutorial by Robin M. Pitts. So if you're interested in making one, you can look her up and see the tutorial there. It's 7x7 and 1 3/4 inch spine. Now I used the silver cloth tape on this, I think you can see, because I wanted it to have a wintry feel to it, and I wanted the matting to be white against the lovely blues that are in these collections. Now the papers that I used were Snow and Ice and Winter Forest, and I got them from Victoria Designs, the digital paper, because I'd enjoyed using the digital papers so much with Alice. I thought I'd make a winter one. I also went a little bit crazy, and there's another album coming up later in a week or so, a steampunk one that I've done, because as you know I do like steampunk. Right, so here we go. Let's open up the ribbon, and you go to the first of the 3 waterfalls. Now, if I'm correct, I think one of the ladies' waterfalls went the opposite way, but I had mine all going the same way because that's the way that I liked it looking. So you can play with it to whatever suits you. And I've put white on the first 2 mats, and I'm going to put the rest of the mats inside the big pocket, so that whoever does have this, if they want to put mats elsewhere, they will have them and they can choose where they go. So going back to this page, as you can see, and you could put a photo there if you wanted to as well, and that's just held with a magnet. So this is one of the big pockets, and I just love this paper. Doesn't that look nice? They're 2 different collections, but they go so well together. And this is the other side of the big pocket, and then that's part of the fold out for the album. So we will go to the middle, which is the second waterfall, and yes, I had them go in the same way, but I just did it from this side to hold it in place. Again, lovely papers. That's left like that on purpose. Whoever wants to put their photo down will just take the tape off, and that's the magnet. I don't want to take the tape off now because then it will stick on there, and if you had several layers, the magnet might not do as it should do. So there we are. Fold that down, and here's the other large pocket. Isn't that lovely? They've just come out so nice. I'm very, very pleased with the quality of the digital prints that I'm getting now, after having trouble with my new printer. Right, so this one is the 3rd and final waterfall, and as the other 2, it's left for the white papers to go on, like that. And another photo could go there. Now, I hope you liked that. It was not too difficult to do. So if you, what have I done here? Look at it, upside down, inside out. Sorry about that. Right, that goes like that, and that goes like that. And then you can just do it back up again with ribbon, or if you wanted to put a hook and eye there to hold it together, whatever suits you. The ribbon's quite good because it can expand however many papers, how many photos that you put in it. I think that would make a lovely Christmas gift. You know, if you were going to a party or something and you wanted to just take a little gift, I think something like that would work out really nice. So do take a look at Victoria Designs if you're into digital papers. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just like their product. So I think it's always good to share with people if you found something that you like, and then others can go and have a look themselves. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye for now.